Alright guys, quick video on how to change a cabin air filter for a Mazda 3 2015. There we go, 2015 cabin air filter. It's like 10 bucks from Amazon. Handy dandy. Alright. Now, this is actually very time consuming. It should take about a minute to do. So let's change our cabin air filter. Just kidding, this car. This car. Oh, this is gonna be a hassle. Oh god, it's dirty in here. Alright, cool. So pop the glove box. You might need two hands for this, but camera between my legs. That's what she said. And then there's two clips on each side. You just kind of push in. Okay, the clip over there. You push this side in, and you push that side in, and voila! Your cabin air filter is right there. Now all you gotta do is tug the clip. Alright, well, broke the clip. Oh shit. Alright. Do this again. With my handy dandy vice grip. Holy shit. I was prepared. Pull this bitch out. Sorry for my language. Ow. That one hurt. You can see it's dirty as fudge. Yeah. There. It's pretty dusty in there, so I'm just gonna get a quick vacuum and basically you get your cabin air filter. And you just plug this sucker back in and you're good. Alright, and that's it.